Bulgaria and Greece expand border access. As part of efforts made in recent years to further the two countries' relations and to commemorate their 130th year of diplomatic relations, Bulgaria and Greece opened a fifth new border checkpoint on Thursday, September 9th. This crossing links the southern Bulgarian town of Ivelograd to Kaprinos in northeastern Greece, providing immediate access and replacing a trip that used to require hundreds of kilometers of travel over a winding mountain road. The Ivelograd-Kaprinos opening was announced in July at the first ever joint cabinet meeting of Bulgaria and Greece, and this week's ceremony was inaugurated by leaders of the two countries, Bulgarian President Georgi Pervanov and his Greek counterpart Carlos Papoulias. Following the opening of the new crossing, eagerly awaiting people from Greece flowed into the small Bulgarian town of Ivelograd to purchase food and other items. Ivelograd Mayor Stefan Panov cheered, "A dream has come true. Our region has its European road." Bulgaria and Greece, we join in lauding your newest border opening. May the encouragement provided by such avenues as these bring an ever-expanding exchange of friendship and cultural understanding between your nations.